mommy? It's a truck. Can you say mommy? Can you say daddy? Can you say Hunter? Can you say Daniel? Can you say Drew? Can you say Nene? Can you say Grandma? Can you say Grandma? Can you say Grandpa? Can you say Mimi? Can you say D-Dad? Can you say Aunt Jen? Can you say Uncle Jace? Can you say Aunt Becky? Can you say Uncle Trey? Can you say Trey? Can you say Trey?
I'll find the things they say just can't be found. I'll share this love I find with everyone. We'll sing and dance to Mother Nature's songs. I don't want this feeling to go away.